Veteran actress and Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan has now voiced her opinion on the controversy surrounding stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra questioning the state of free speech in the country. Kunal recently faced backlash from the Shiv Sena after mocking Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde during a stand-up performance.
जो इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र की इलेक्शन से किया है ना भाई साहब, बोलना पड़ेगा। थाने की रिक्शा, चेहरे पे दाढ़ी, आंखों में चश्मा, हाय एक झलक दिखलाए, कभी गुवाहाटी में छुप जाए, मेरी नजर से तुम देखो, गद्दार नजर वो आए.
His remarks led to protests, office vandalism, and demands for legal action. Reacting to the issue, Jaya criticized the selective nature of outrage and governance. While interacting with the media persons outside the parliament on Monday, March 24th, Jaya asked, if such steps are being taken for saying something, then where is freedom of speech? There is only freedom of action when there's hooliganism and women are raped. What else? When Shiv Sena left their original party, was that not an insult to Bala Saheb Thackeray? The veteran actress and politician further asked.
ये तो आप लोग करिए, you all are all from media. अगर इस तरह से बोलने के ऊपर पाबंदी लग जाएगी तो आप लोगों का क्या होगा? ऐसे ही आप लोगों की हालत खराब है. पूरा रेस्ट्रिक्शन है आप लोगों के ऊपर. अभी आप लोगों को भी कहेंगे यही न्यूज बोलिए और कुछ मत बोलिए, जया बच्चन का इंटरव्यू मत लीजिए. Where is freedom of speech? There is freedom of action only जब मारामारी हो, ऑपोजिशन को मारो, महिलाओं का बलात्कार करो, उनको टांग दो, मर्डर खत्म कर दो, जी जान ले लो. What else?
शिवसेना के नेता कह रहे हैं कुणाल कामरा ने उनके नेता का अपमान किया, एकनाथ शिंदे का अपमान किया.
अरे आप लोग, आपकी जो पार्टी थी, रियल पार्टी, उसको छोड़ के आप लोग अपने सत्ता के उसमें दूसरी पार्टी में आ गए. वो अपमान नहीं हुआ? वो बाला साहब का अपमान नहीं है?
Kunal recently sparked outrage after calling Shinde a traitor during a comedy show, using the song Dil To Pagal Hai to mock him. Following the viral video, Shiv Sena workers ransacked the office of the Union Continental Mumbai in Khar West, Mumbai. Complaints were filed at multiple police stations with the party demanding Kunal's arrest and an apology. The party has also warned of further legal consequences if the comedian fails to retract his statement. Amid this controversy, Kunal responded to the controversy surrounding his joke. Amid strong backlash from Shiv Sena and police complaints against him, he shared a post where he is seen holding a copy of the Constitution of India. He captioned the post, "The only way forward," a subtle yet pointed remark hinting at the ongoing debate about free speech. In a new development, Mumbai police registered FIR against 20 people, including Shinde Sena's Rahul Kanal, for ransacking the Habitat Comedy Club. Well, what are your thoughts on Jaya Bachchan supporting stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra and questioning the state of free speech in the country? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.